Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram error. Sorry, there was a problem with your request when we try to log in to Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to tap and hold the App Store. Then tap on updates. Here we have to check the list is there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then we have to update the Instagram app first. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then force close all the apps that are running in the background and launch settings. Here we have to tap on in general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Then we have to tap on iPhone storage. Going to tap again on iPhone storage. Now check the list and tap on Instagram. Here we have to tap on offload app. After that, tap again offload app to confirm. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the force restart, go back to App Store and re-download the Instagram application. Sometime this will happen because the Instagram server is down. Meanwhile, we have to launch settings again. Then tap on Journal, tap Transfer Reset iPhone, tap Reset and tap Reset Network Settings. Here we are going to put iPhone passcode and tap again Reset Network Settings to confirm. None of these is not working. Then launch Safari, go to instagram.com and change your Instagram password. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.